Hello students, welcome in my new video. Today I am going to solve question number 3 from exercise 1b from the chapter integers. Now now we will solve question number 3 of exercise 1b. Question number 3, subpart 1. You need to solve this. 4 into 5 will give 20, 20 into 8 will give 160, and into 10 will give, it will be 1600. And what will be the sign? Minus minus plus, plus minus minus, minus minus plus. So it will be plus 1600. It will be plus 1600. Now second one will be 6 5s are 30, 30 into 7 it will be 210, 210 into 2 will be 420, 420 into 3 will be 1260. So 1260. This is the answer, but what will be the sign? Minus minus plus, plus minus minus, minus minus plus, plus minus minus, minus. If you do not give the sign, students, you will definitely get these digits right, but the answer will be wrong if you do not give the sign. Now moving on to the next question. Now question number 3, subpart 3. Subpart 3 I will solve. 60 into 10 it will be 600, 600 into 5 it will be 3000. Minus minus result will give plus, plus minus result will give minus, minus minus result will give plus. So 3000 plus 3000 is the answer. Now number 4 is 30 into 20, what it will give? 600. Into 20 it will give 600, and 600 into 5 it will give 3000. Minus minus plus, and it will be minus 3000. Because here only 3 numbers are there, so the product will be, here 3 numbers are there, so this is odd. 3 is an odd number, so it will be minus, and there 4 numbers were there, so 4 is an even, so it will be plus. It is an even number. Now we need to multiply minus 3, minus 3, minus 3 this 6 times. So if I write minus 3, minus 3, minus 3, minus 3, minus 3, it will be easier. Minus 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 is an even and odd both, so it will be plus. 1 second, minus minus plus, plus minus minus, minus minus plus, plus minus. Yes, it will be plus. What will be the answer? The answer will be 729. 729 will be the answer. If you multiply 3 into 3 into 3 and then again 6 times, 3 into 3 into 3. Now minus 5, minus 5, minus 5, minus 5 into minus 5. sorry students, wait. This is 729. My board is not so big, so I cannot see the, my board is not so big students, so I need to rub this. Now I will write 5 minus 5 5 times. Minus 5 minus 5 minus 5 minus 5 and minus 5. 1 2 3 4 and 5. So the answer will be 3125, and it will be minus because 5 is an odd number. 5 is an odd number, so this will be minus 3125. This will be minus 3125. Now I need to solve minus 1 minus 1 minus 1, like this I need to solve it 200 times. So if 1 is added 200 times, 1 is multiplied also 200 times, it will be 1 only. So 1 and 200 is a odd number, so it will be only plus 1. And minus 1 minus 1 minus 1, I need to solve it 171 times. So this answer I will not tell, you will comment. You will comment this answer. So that's it students. Hope you like this video. Please share, comment and subscribe. Thank you.